The most anticipated event in the crypto market is looming, and many altcoins are lined up to see outstanding growth and spikes in prices. It is the Bitcoin halving event, and historically, we are about to be launched into the best season of our lives. Nothing is certain yet, but there are records to hold on to, and it seems like Cardano ADA already has a record-breaking strategy to amass gains. Have you heard about what happened recently? Input Output Global, the company behind Cardano ADA, appointed two former Algorand executives to lead its new stablecoin-focused venture. In an October 23 statement, IOG revealed that they had appointed Sean Ford, and former CEO of Algorand, to oversee the affairs of the unnamed stablecoin venture. David Markley, another former executive from the same rival blockchain network, would support him as CEO. The Cardano founder and IOG CEO Charles Hoskinson highlighted the new venture's important role in developing stablecoins and other payment solutions that would help the blockchain industry realize its mission and fully protect its values. We have a unique opportunity to bring interoperability, security, and proper governance to our industry, backed by our first principles research and evidence-based software approach. I believe this will deliver the promise of cryptocurrencies to the developing world and improve the systems of developed markets, Hoskinson said. Sean Ford corroborated this view, saying he was excited to create and launch the next generation of stable assets. According to the previous records and reports, stablecoins are pivotal to the emerging industry as they are heavily used for remittances and payments. They are digital assets structured to maintain value regardless of the market fluctuations associated with the broader crypto sector. According to CryptoSlate, the crypto space currently boasts a market capitalization of $125 billion, underscoring its relevant users. However, despite the widespread popularity of stablecoins, Cardano has faced challenges in gaining a significant market share, even with the introduction of projects like JED, USDA, and others. JED indeed came at a huge bang, but the hype died after its launch. This is why most projects in the crypto industry have no guarantee of sustenance. Currently, stablecoins issued on Ethereum and Tron continue to dominate, collectively holding nearly 90% of the market, according to DeFi Llama data. Meanwhile, it is important to note that the stablecoin sector has a stain on its image. It is profitable for the Cardano ecosystem to focus on it. What stain, you may ask? Have you forgotten that it faced heightened regulatory scrutiny across the globe due to failure of Terra's algorithmic stablecoin last year? Regulators in the US and Singapore are introducing new regulations to better protect people under their jurisdictions. Simply put, Cardano needs to be careful around here. Also, the Cardano founder has been trying to protect the image of the ecosystem and its token from atrocious allegations. He recently refuted claims that Hydra, the layer 2 scaling solution for the Cardano blockchain, has been unsuccessful. In a video on X, formerly known as Twitter, Charles Hoskinson revealed how Hydra had pivoted during the last 3 years and that measuring the network's activity by transaction per second alone might be misleading, which was what the crypto community was doing. According to him, a single Cardano transaction can encompass multiple outputs, citing one instance where a block contained 384 outputs in just one transaction. He said, Cardano is not a TPS system, it's a transaction per transaction system, and each of these outputs can signify more intricate elements such as scripts and proofs beyond mere raw value transfers. Hoskinson further explained that Hydra has developed middleware for developers to build and incorporate applications of the blockchain network chain. According to him, this aligns with the Cardano's broader plan of supporting on-chain and off-chain applications like NFTs and decentralized exchanges, or DEXs for short. With this, he added, so what happens over 3 years is that Hydra has pivoted a little bit and has pivoted into, let's build some middleware that is going to make it easy for you as a developer to plug in your application work with Plutus to help get a lot of that complex logic that should not run on the main network, but run it in a different network. Irrespective of these concerns, decentralized finance activity on Cardano does continue to thrive. Cardano's TVL growth on the DeFi landscape stands out, not just for its foundational philosophy, but also for its incredible growth metrics in recent times. The total value locked in Cardano recently surged past an impressive milestone of $250 million, solidifying its place as the most actively growing networks in the DeFi sector. It looks prepared for the upcoming bull run. Comparing Cardano's growth trajectory to another significant player, Ergo, sheds light on the momentum ADA has managed to gather. As of late of October 2022, Ergo's TVL was recorded at approximately $7.16 million. While Ergo does have its merits and has shown consistent growth over the past year, the pace at which Cardano has scaled is undeniably faster. Taking a look at the Cardano chart, a steep rise in its TVL is showcased, especially around the latter half of 2023, highlighting a surge in interest and investment in the platform. Furthermore, a variety of factors contributed to Cardano's meteoric rise. The platform's commitment to research-driven approaches, peer reviews, and a focus on innovation makes it an attractive choice for those who chase long-term growth and value proposition rather than quick speculative gains. And yes, this is a comfortable point to note that Cardano is not a ghost chain. Cardano, as one of the most popular blockchains, has become a highly controversial one as its concerns about its ecosystem growth remain. Some crypto watchers believe that it is a highly overvalued project, while others argue that it's a ghost chain. But a ghost chain is defined as a crypto project that has nothing going on in its ecosystem, and there are so many chains in this crypto industry. Cardano itself cannot be defined as a ghost chain because its ecosystem is in fact growing. For example, its DeFi ecosystem is thriving even as the crypto winter continues. Plus, Cardano ADA has retained its impressive gains over the past week. With this new bullish outlook, the protocol is now eyeing swinging into a new level if the market permits its sustained resurgence. Now, according to top crypto trader Gareth Soloway, Cardano ADA might be eyeing a potential breakout. Soloway anticipates a potential breakout on ADA out of a long-term wedge. He characterized the current price condition for ADA as beaten down, and so it may be due for a bounce. The crypto trader went ahead to say that while this does not imply a bottom has been reached, it should provide some short-term respite from the bear market. In this case, a daily close below 24 cents should nullify any potential breakout. Amid the flurry of predictions and anticipations for the crypto market, cryptocurrencies have in fact come a long way since the inception of Bitcoin way back in 2009. The crypto market has grown, expanded, and matured, opening up exciting opportunities for investors. Cardano is often referred to as the Ethereum of the future, and its identity as a blockchain platform that prioritizes sustainability, scalability, and interoperability has not changed. Cardano's research-driven approach ensures that every protocol and update is meticulously designed and peer-reviewed, leading to a robust and secure network. Its commitment to creating a more inclusive and secure financial system makes Cardano a front-runner for the future of crypto. ADA is still a giant in the crypto world. At the Rare Evo conference in July, the Cardano founder said, "This is why I think that Cardano is probably going to become the biggest cryptocurrency in the world. I think it's going to become more than just a cryptocurrency. I think it's going to become the backbone of a new digital nation, a new society, a place where we can finally begin to trust each other again, where we move from don't be evil to can't be evil." He targeted his criticisms at the governance models of market leaders Bitcoin and Ethereum. He pointed out that Bitcoin's static design could be its Achilles heel in the long term, and Ethereum's leadership dismissed on-chain governance as unachievable. Simply put, he believes in what Cardano has to offer. Plus, in an interview, he has said, "I can see a path within 5 to 10 years that you can run a nation state on technology like Cardano. I can see that happening. I can see a path where Cardano could be used to run a national identity system with principles, or a payment system with principles, or a CBDC with principles that protect you. I can see that path." Right from its inception, Cardano has been positioned as a record breaker, and it might begin to live up to that identity moving forward. The question is, do you want to be left on the sidelines? That's going to do it for today's video. Make sure you click on the subscribe and notification buttons, and we'll see you here on the next video.